Today I'm going to show you how to tape up an air conditioner. Good morning everybody. Today I'm going to show you how I cover up an air conditioner with plastic. When I'm going to do my ceilings, spray my ceilings, I have to completely cover this up with plastic. First thing I do, I just use this tape here, and then I'll run a bead of tape along the bottom there like that, and also along the side a little bit. 1800 plastic pre-finished tape, so pre-taped masking film, and that's a Dulux one, but it can be anything. Just need a ladder. We need this. And up the top, we're going to make sure that there's no dust. We're just going to get this, and then we're going to brush it out. I'm just going to stick a little bit over here like that. And then I'm going to stick it as close as I can to the wall. Put that away. So we're just going to do that. I'm just going to bring this down here like this. This way I can get my spray gun down there and get heaps of paint in. I'm going to bring this down here. This tape here, I'm just going to pull it out a little bit like that to give me a sticky surface. I think you guys already know what I'm going to do. Stick this back on here. We're just going to get this. I'm just going to slowly press it up against that tape so it sticks. Same principle as we do the windows. That's nice and tight over there, as you can see. We're going to get a Stanley knife, which is this one here. I'm just going to cut this off here. Come up to the side here, same principle. We're going to use this, just basically go down to here. And we're going to use this tape here. You can do it either way. Just look for any little bits that aren't covered. This is just to stop it flapping. You can put what you want there. That's fully sealed. Do the same to the other side. This one down here. And that won't go over there, but this one here will. So I prematurely cut my tape, cut my plastic, but that's alright. Normally your plastic would cover this, but I stuffed up. Just get a little bit of this like that. You can cut it a lot neater with a Stanley knife if you want, but that's it. It's all done.